Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of my channel. My name is Yangji, and if you guys do enjoy this content, please give it a thumbs up, a share, or subscribe to my channel. And I promise you I will be back with you with more content just like this on how to stay smart out there on the road and earn while driving efficiently. So today we are going to be talking about if you should be driving for Uber, for Lyft, or for both. Okay, so this is going to be based on my own experience. And, when I first started back in 2016 driving full-time, I've downloaded both apps. Okay, I've started driving for Uber first. And then I also downloaded Lyft because I didn't think I was going to get enough rides from Uber. Well, I was wrong. So from Uber, you're going to get quite a bit of rides depending on how and when you drive. In my case, I did not need another app to supplement more rides because Uber was already feeding me enough rides. And this could vary depending on, where you are. I live in the LA area, and my route is through some really busy neighborhoods and parts of the city. So I would drive from Pasadena, and I would set my and I would try to go towards the airport. Okay? Now, there were some differences before when, in terms of the driver app for both the Uber and Lyft. One of the differences was, I believe Uber did release the direction filter first, so I found it to be very helpful. I'm not sure if Lyft followed, but I'm sure they did. I have not used the Lyft driver app for a while. So this, made me commit to the Uber app a lot more. And, I was just getting enough rides anyway, so I did not really feel like I had to switch between the apps. Now, when I first started, I did switch between both the Uber and Lyft apps for a little while. And I found it to be very annoying because, you have to manage between two apps. And sometimes when you accept, ride requests and you accidentally accept both, you're going to have to eventually cancel one. And that's not going to look good for you on either one of these platforms when you have a higher cancellation rate, okay? I know I heard about features and apps out there that can help you manage these two apps. I'm not sure if that's true, but I have not looked into it. I really just want to use the driver apps independently and not stack them on top of each other. So, I was, very committed to just driving for Uber over Lyft. I think currently if you would actually sign up for Uber or Lyft, the Uber guarantee right now, it's if you drive 55 trips and you earn $350 guaranteed within the first 90 days of signing up. Okay, so for example, if you do 55 rides within the first 90 days of signing up and you did not earn $350, Uber would make up the difference and pay the difference to make up for that $350, okay? I know Lyft also does another guarantee, which would be, let me take a look here. So it'll be for 65 rides a week, and they're guaranteeing you that you're going to make $700, okay? So it's definitely a bigger commitment. You think about that, okay? So if Uber will give you a longer period of time to complete 55 rides, which is very important because when you first start out, you're not very familiar with what to do or even how to use the platform. So, doing 55 rides over 90 days is going to be a lot easier than doing 65 rides in a week, which is for Lyft. Okay? That's just going to be a lot more work. 65 rides a week. And Lyft also imposes more requirements, which would be, you have to stay in the drive mode for 30 hours and maintain a 90% weekly acceptance rate in that week. So 90% weekly acceptance rate that is a very high. You do not even have much wiggle room to ignore rides, okay? As far as I know, that is not part of the requirements for Uber. You just really have to drive the 55 rides within 90 days and guaranteed to earn $350, okay? So if I was a newbie right now, I would take the shorter commitment with Uber. It's an easier commitment, and it really gives you a chance to just get familiar with driving on the road. If you have not driven for any rideshare companies before, or you've driven very little, that will give you a lot of breathing room to actually work with, okay, versus what Lyft is offering. So if I was a newbie right now, I would definitely just get my feet wet and sign up with Uber if I was to sign up for a rideshare program. So that is my review for this episode, and I have left my referral link for Uber in my video description below. If you guys do sign up with my referral link, I will get a bonus when you guys complete your 55 trips, which I would really appreciate. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, a share, or subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with you with more helpful topics and content just like this. Thank you very much for watching.